Welcome to the FOREO Call. Here we share your skincare tips and tricks. So subscribe and let us know in the comments what your skincare routine looks like, because you might be our next call. So Giulia, thank you so much for joining us. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Hello, I'm Giulia. I live in the northern part of Italy. I'm a part-time artist. I am a red plant collector, and I work in an haircut company.
Wow! So that's a lot of things that you have in your life.
Yeah, I'm like a Barbie, but less beautiful and blonde. I do a lot of works actually.
No, we can't say that. You are beautiful and brunette. So, just to begin, are you a skincare junkie?
Yes, I am actually, because I have a very good friend. She's also my sister-in-law. We are very passionate about skincare. So each time we see each other, we talk a lot. Actually, I do not use a lot of stuff. I prefer to keep simple. So yes, I'm a skincare routine junkie because I like the packaging, the colors, and trying new things. But when I have a skincare, so I have few things using, I do not like using too much.
Okay.
So I'm a junkie, yes, I like to try a lot of stuff, but for periods, not mixing up things.
Okay, yeah, so you like to try what fits you, it suits you the best.
Yes, each time I change. I change things, I change the products, not the steps. But when I begin something, for products, I use them since I finish them.
Great. So have you ever had any kind of skin concerns?
Yes, in the past years, I usually had some pimples near my nose. Not a lot. I didn't have any acne problem actually. But you know, when you are younger, you have some pimples because you are growing up, so you have quite of problems because it's normal, it's hormonal. Near nose, under my mouth, it doesn't hurt my self-confidence. Maybe I add other things hurting my self-confidence, because when you are very young, you have a lot of pressure, but nothing about my skin.
Okay, so you didn't have that trouble that a lot of us had. And
no,
how did
no.
you...
I have a pretty good skin actually, because of food, diet balance, and...
Yeah, I can see that your skin is like so clear, and I think you don't wear any makeup. Do you have makeup on?
Only eyeliner and a little bit of concealer on some spots, but no, how can I say that, no full coverage.
Yes.
No.
So how does your skincare routine looks like?
It's very simple actually. In the morning is pretty fast because I have to do my breakfast, to do my makeup and my clothing, so I have not much time. Usually I put some cream, because if you put some cream on your face, your makeup will stay longer, and obviously also UV cream, also in the winter, because also if it is not sunny, the sun is there, so it's preferred to put sunscreen also for the wind and the cold weather. In the evening, it's obviously longer. I did my mask with the UFO once a week or twice, it depends. I want to wash my face first because I work in an aircraft company, so when an airplane comes, there's dust in the air or whatever. So I want to clean with a good cleanser and a milk cleanser.
Okay.
Then I use a tonic water to finish the cleaning part, and a serum, a cream. A night cream is richer. And as for your product, I use the spada when I have some problems about the pimples. Not every week, it depends on my skin. And also the Luna, I use it in the shower. I use it each night in the shower with gommage.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes not each day because the gommage is not very good each day.
Yeah.
And yeah, in the shower it's better for me because I put the product on, I wash my face and my hair with the mask on. So when I wait for my mask to work, I clean my face.
Perfect. I have two questions. Which mask for UFO is your favorite? And the second one, which FOREO product is your favorite?
Oh, okay, I have to choose wisely. My favorite mask is the green tea.
Okay.
I really love the smell, actually. And you know when something as a green packaging for me works better. I don't know why.
Okay.
And my favorite FOREO product is the Luna, actually. Because I like to clean my skin with a good face soap, you know.
Mm-hmm.
With the Luna, I think it works more. I feel it massages me and it has like a brush for the skin. So
Yeah.
I'm sure it works better.
And so do you use Luna for normal skin or combination skin?
The blue one.
The blue one, combination skin.
I prefer the violet one actually, but I
Mm-hmm.
do not have sensitive skin.
Okay.
So I wanted to prefer not the color, but the usual, the final use for
Mm-hmm.
skin.
Okay. And how much time do you spend on your skincare routine?
In the morning, 5 minutes or more.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's the time for put the cream on. And in the evening, not counting on the mask, yes, the mask time is 2 minutes with the buffon.
Mm-hmm.
15 minutes, I think.
Okay.
The total, including, the mask.
So
Yeah.
you take care of yourself. You watch what you eat, what you drink. You take care of
Yeah.
your skin. So
I
it's the
drink a
whole
lot.
package.
Yeah, I drink a lot because I am always afraid to die by not having enough water. In fact,
Giulia.
yeah, I mean. So yes, it's the full package of skincare routine. Not complicated,
Mm-hmm.
because if it was too much complicated, I would get boring by that.
Mm-hmm.
But the necessary time for it is okay.
And do you do your routine every day or do you skip it sometimes?
Yes, un momento, sorry.
No problem.
Yes, certainly. What?
Do you do your skincare routine every day or do you skip it sometimes?
Sometimes it is richer, so with the mask is in the in the process.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's just cleaning my face
Mm-hmm.
with a special product for that. The milk or skip the milk, and I'm the tonic water too.
Mm-hmm.
No, the serum. It depends. Maybe one day is richer, one day is less richer.
Okay, yeah. So you adjust it to your skin what you need that day.
Yeah.
Do you have some tips and tricks you would like to share with other people that would help in their skincare routines?
Yes, the first thing is do not stress too much. Your skin feels your fear. So do not stress. You are what you are. People don't see our face problems sometimes. We see what the other people don't see. So don't stress. Just know what to do. Do not do a lot of stuff because your skin doesn't need a lot of layers on you. So know what to do. Ask to experts what to do. Do not exaggerate the big product. Do the right things and no more. Okay, sorry, I'm echoing. Okay.
Okay, so thank you for your tips. Do you have something else you would like to share with our viewers?
About skincare, you mean?
About skincare, about anything you want. Would you like to share something else?
Okay, about skincare, I said a lot of stuff actually, and no, nothing more. Just love plants, like me. They will love that.
That's a great message.
Yeah, and follow me.
Perfect. We will follow you in every aircraft and wherever we need to go with you. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
I have a plan page, I have an art page, I have an aircraft page, a lot.
So all pages you can have.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope we will stay in contact and take care of yourself. Stay as happy and beautiful as you are, and we'll be in touch.
Okay.